Here, why once again we have a symbol, and this time we are going to discuss the theories of nation. And this time, theory of nations will be having a new aspects of legal studies, where we will discuss the modern day scenario of democracy, loktantra, uski requirement, fulfillment of needs of society, interdependence, selection, elections, and then marks the identity of government. So, hereby warmly welcome you new phase of learning, and this time we will discuss social contract based theory. In the theories of origin of state, it marks the identity, and every state has their own recognition, and on the basis of the society, beliefs, religion, region, caste, creed, tribe, family, villages, clans, everything combined together to form one state. And this time the government rule, the dependence of supreme authority on citizen and citizen on supreme authority will be discussed today. हम वो सीखेंगे कि आज की सरकार का नेतृत्व पिछली वातावरण में कैसा होता था, पहले कैसे फॉर्म्स होती थी डेमोक्रेसी. प्रिवेलिंग गवर्नमेंट डिपेंड्स ऑन पिलर्स, एंड फर्स्ट पिलर योर legislature, second pillar executive, third pillar judiciary. Once again I am assembling you. I said one word to you, legal studies. What will you pursue with the word that is called your society? Which I said that it is your web, or you can write it in this way also. You will find me writing in both the aspects. Web, it is similar, but one term over here now represents your face value. Your face value, that human life is your face value, which live collectively, which live collectively. They have fulfill of needs. And this fulfillment of need create joined hands, joined life. And that joined life bring them to one region. And that region marks you another word, which is state. सोसाइटी एक वेब है, एक कलेक्शन है किनका, ह्यूमन लाइफ का, जो इकट्ठे रहते हैं टू सेटिस्फाई देयर नीड्स, देयर सेटिस्फैक्शन लेवल, एंड देन दे जॉइन देयर लाइफ, एंड दिस लाइफ जॉइंड इन अ रीजन, एंड दिस रीजन मार्क्स यू विद द वर्ड एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ स्टेट, which will be origin and its emergence I will discuss in next video. So in short, legal studies talk about society, which is web, and this web is due to human beings' life, which is living collectively to fulfill each other's need. If you see present state also of society is that we used to cast vote to or exercise vote for the rights of us, for satisfaction of our needs when we elect government, and the government works in welfare of us. So ultimately we are part of society, we are framing the government, and that government is fulfilling our need. We have life, we are living collectively, we are working for the exercises of rights to fulfill our needs, because we know that everybody couldn't run their government, we need a competent force. So we are giving votes to them, they are elected, and they have been formed. So the politically organized society is there, who joined their life in a region, and then we have elections for state, nation and all. So that's account here that society is legally framed and it is politically organized. So we will discuss them. First term is society, then second will be state, and this state will bring you to the nation, and then nation will bring you to government, and then the government will bring you to the phases organs of government, where you will discuss legislative, executive, and then judiciary. So it is a web of society which will you study in legal studies, and then that will take you to the right of the judiciary. अल्टीमेटली पहले आपको सोसाइटी पता होनी चाहिए क्या है, फिर स्टेट क्या है, फिर नेशन क्या है, नेशन की गवर्नमेंट क्या है, फिर गवर्नमेंट के ऑर्गन्स क्या है. दैट अकाउंट्स इन योर लीगल स्टडीज. So hereby we are concluding it with a promise to see each other again. So see you again soon. Social contract theory has the existence of state with a mutual understanding. एक दूसरे की रजामंदी है साथ रहना. People are living in a collaborative web, and due to the same language, religion, beliefs, culture, customs, caste, creed, family, tribes, etc. So marks the social contract because they have interdependence on each other. Thomas Hobbes, John Locke, England political thinkers, James Jacques from France have been brought three political philosophers. They laid the base of this story. They laid the foundation. इन्होंने इसे बताया, प्री पॉलिटिकल कंडीशन ऑफ सोसाइटी से इंट्रोड्यूस कराया. उन्होंने कहा कि सोसाइटी सिटीजन से फॉर्म होती है, सिटीजन से गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म होती है, दे आर कोलैबोरेटेड एंड वी नीड अ पॉलिटिकल अथॉरिटी. तो पॉलिटिकल अथॉरिटी अल्टीमेट पावर उसके हाथ में है, और उसकी इलेक्शंस का प्रोसेस कंसेंट होनी चाहिए, लोगों की रजामंदी होनी चाहिए. देन ओनली इट कैन बी अ मैन काइंड सर्विस, एंड देन द नेचर ऑफ स्टेट एग्जिस्ट इन दिस फेज. मैन इज बॉर्न अलोन, बॉर्न फ्री, बट जब दुनिया में इंसान आ जाता है ना, तो उसके साथ बहुत सारी एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स वर्कआउट करते हैं. उसकी फैमिली के बिलीव्स वर्कआउट करते हैं, उसकी पर्सनल प्रोफेशनल लाइफ हो जाती है, उसकी सोसाइटी से कोलैबोरेशन हो जाती है. ड्यू टू रिलीजन, कास्ट हो सकता है, क्रीड हो सकती है, विलेज हो सकता है, किसी भी तरह की कनेक्टिविटी, इंटरलिंकिंग पॉइंट क्रिएट हो जाता है. दैट ब्रिंग्स द सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. एंड दिस म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग, म्यूचुअल कंसेंट, एक दूसरे की इंटरडिपेंडेंस, रिलेटिविटी प्रोवाइड्स द पीपल एंड गवर्नमेंट. Government can be democratic, non-democratic, and people are the citizen of the area. They give power to government, and government have to protect the rights of the citizen. As you see recently in India, the government is protecting the health of the citizens. If they will not function as so they will replace or overthrow in the elections. And if it is prevailing good work or prevailing the better service, then they will going to have in power again. We have discussed social contract based theory, a theory which delivers you a mechanism of modern day scenario of democracy. लोकतंत्र की नींव social contract theory देती है, क्योंकि ये दिखाती है कि सोसाइटी से सिटीजन आते हैं, सिटीजन से गवर्नमेंट आती है, सिटीजन से पावर आती है गवर्नमेंट के पास, और गवर्नमेंट को राइट प्रोटेक्ट करने की ड्यूटी मिलती है. सो इट मार्क्स यू आइडेंटिटी. एक तरीका है, एक वे है दैट ब्रिंग्स द कनेक्टिविटी पॉइंट दैट गिव एंड टेक की पॉलिसी है. इफ यू विल नॉट वर्क फॉर अस, वी विल गोइंग टू रिप्लेस यू. इफ यू विल वर्क बेटर फॉर अस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, देन वी विल गोइंग टू गिव यू अनदर पावर फेस. So let's conclude it with a promise to see you again soon.